Okay, hello everyone. Hello. Yeah, let me do some exercises with you. I hope that my activities are as interesting as you had expected. So today we're going to do something unusual. This is an activity we haven't done before. So before I explain the instructions, let me divide you into 3 groups. To do so, you will have to count until 3, okay? From 1 to 3. And Korea, you will start.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. 1,
1, 2.
So now, number 1, so you have to come to this place because this is the first row according to my view. And number 2 comes to this side. And number 3 comes to this side. Like you can create circles, whatever, just discuss the questions easily with each other, okay? Actually, there are no questions, but I will explain the instructions of the activity, okay? Now, I will distribute some sheets of paper. This is just for writing. Don't turn them upside down because there is nothing you need to do or not. Just write your answers, okay? And now, So first of all, listen to the task, because you should know what to do, okay? You have to create a 10-word sentence according to the rule. For example, I may tell you that you need to create a 10-word sentence, which is a complex one, okay? You have to create a complex sentence, but it should consist of 10 words only. And your sentence should be grammatically correct. This is what matters. So if there is a grammatical mistake, then you will not win. The group which finishes first and whose answer is right wins. Okay? This is the simplest activity ever. So you have to be quick and right at the same time. Can you give example of a complex sentence? What is complex sentence? Complex sentence comes with a variety of conjunctions, right? For example, there might be relative conjunctions as well. Like where you can say something, I don't know where it is actually located, right? So let's count the number of words. Is it 10 or not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8. This is not right. You need to have 10 words, okay? You have to add something. I don't really know, maybe.
How many sentences we should write?
You need to add one sentence. I don't really know where this shop is actually located. Now look at it. Now the right 10 words, okay? And it's grammatically correct. So this is your task. And just keep in mind that the abbreviation, not just abbreviation, but the words that are written with an apostrophe are counted as one word or with a hyphen, okay? So if you write it like do not, then it's counted as 2 words. But if it's like this, if it's contraction, then it's 1 word. Yes. Yeah, it's up to you. So what about articles? They're counted as words. Everything is a word. Even if you write a number just like this, it's a word, okay? Now the instructions are different. I will not make you create a complex sentence because it's easy. Now you know what you need to do, right? I'll give you another task. So try to be first, and as soon as you finish, just let me know. You can shout, you can call my name or whatever, okay? So, and remember, there is a trick. The 2 groups that lose the game will have to answer questions on this subject. So if you don't answer, you'll be punished for that. That's it. So try to win. I will tell you later. Okay? So now, listen to the instructions. You need to create a compound sentence which consists of 10 words. Okay. Do it. Compound sentence. Compound. Now compound. It was just an example. It's not like this. Now it's a task. Compound sentence comes with 10 words. Like this is the conjunction, like or, and, but, or, so. I've given you so many hints. This group is ready. Now let's check the answer. No, this is not correct. This is, grammatically incorrect. You have a chance. You can make another sentence if it's right, and if you finish before this group, then you will win. So keep trying, keep trying. This is not correct. when or where because it's a compound sentence, but I want you to make a compound sentence. Okay? 4. Vilken preposition mask? Conjunctions. Because that when, no. Look, this conjunction settled it. When is not a compound sentence. Like, what kind of when is that? Can you check? Yeah, 1. 9 words. 9 words. Now this group has.
My friend also.
Yeah, this group has finished. Your sentence is correct. Now you're late. Yeah, you have to be quick and ready at the same time. Now let's read this sentence. It sounds like this. I'm a big fan of swimming and my friend also. So there are 10 words and it's grammatically correct. Thank you. The first group wins and now it's time for your punishment. These two groups will have to answer one question, okay? So you choose who answers from your group, okay? I will not choose randomly, but I will tell the question. So this group, how is a tutor different from a teacher? I did that. Tutor teach only individually, one or two students, or a teacher teaches one group. Yeah, thank you. That's the correct answer. And this group, the question is for you. Do words professional and great mean the same when describing a teacher? Вот слова есть, да, профессиональный учитель и великий, ну, великолепный учитель. Они значат одно и то же, означают? Или они как бы отличаются? Когда используется со словом учитель? Есть разница?
I think yes. Professional teacher is who can teach professionally. Document is that my voice? A great teacher, I think very good.
Yeah, thank you. Right, professional teacher is different from a great teacher. But first you have to become professional to become great, right? After being professional in your job and learning the communication skills and people skills, you can become a great teacher. Thank you, both groups are correct. So you're not punished. And now the second round. The instructions are the same, but now you will not have to do anything with compound sentences. You will add different grammatical point, okay? Do you have your paper and pens ready? Yes. Okay. Now, you have, by the way, let's write some conditionals because you may have forgotten about them, right? There are 4 conditionals, if you know. 0, first, second, third. Who can tell me what second conditional is? Second condition. Yeah. 0 condition is about facts, right? If you boil water, if you heat water, it boils. Then the first conditional is about realistic events. If you study hard, you will pass the exam. Second conditional is about unrealistic imaginary events. If I were rich, I would buy a house. Or yes. You understand? So there should be like past simple in the if part, and there should be would. Would plus infinitive, right? Would by infinitive. So this is the task. Now create a second conditional sentence which is grammatically correct. Start.
If I was you, I wouldn't smoke
Yeah, we have the winner. The second group is the winner. Now let me write the scores here because I tend to forget scores first, second, and third group. First group, then second group. Now the first and third groups, you get your punishment questions because you are not as quick as we hope. It's okay. It happens. Now, your question. What is called indirect evidence of student participation?
Indirect?
Yeah, indirect. There are 2 types of evidence.
Direct and indirect evidence.
No. It's about speech. It's about speech. Direct and indirect speech. but we have evidence of student performance. No, you can't. They have to answer. If you don't answer, you'll be punished. The whole group will be punished. No, you'll have to perform an action in front of everybody else.
Oh no.
Yeah, it might be that.
Evidence is that which is connected with the mental abilities of students and having some something like this.
Yeah, she's actually right. It's about student attitude. It's about cognitive skills, like you said, mental skills. Thank you. You're right. Anyways. And as a third group, your punishment question. Why do exam papers have a variety of tasks instead of just one type of task? Why do exam papers have a variety of tasks, like several tasks, instead of just one type?
In order to evaluate your listening, speaking, writing, or other skills.
No, exams are not only about these 4 skills. They are about your acquisition of units in the book. It was just an example. Okay, but can you just explain it without giving examples?
For example, we learned tenses, and there will be a lot of variety of tenses in the text. In order to know which tense we learned and which not.
Okay, yeah, I got you. So you're saying that each task kind of challenges our understanding of certain notions, right?
And also that students who can learn with kinesthetic and
Auditory?
learners.
Yes. As our teacher previously said to us, like not all people are good at everything, right? There are certain things that you can be good at, but there are other things that you are not as good as you think. So a variety of tasks help you to show your abilities. Because if the number of tasks is limited, then you will not be able to show your true potential. Okay? Thank you. So no group punishment, and the third round, the final one. It's not as difficult as you think, but okay. Listen, you have to create a 10-word sentence with a structure going to Okay, can çıkmadı?
Couldn't.
Yok, yeah, this group is right. You had a mistake with the test. You said something like, can I read your sentence? So there were 10 words, and the mistake is not as serious as you think, but still, it's a mistake. I was going to buy a car, but I can't. So there should be, I couldn't, right? Because we're speaking about something that happened in the past, okay? This was just a minor mistake. Okay, so we can see that the winner group is the first group because they have 2 right answers. They have won 2 rounds, while the second group participated in 1 round only. And the third group, you have to be quick and right next time, okay? Thank you for participation. That's